We have a question here that says 20% of people aged 25 and over, or age 25 and over, have a high BMI. And we have another data point, 48.2% of people aged 65 and over have high BMI. Now, we're saying that, or we're given a relationship, all right, where the percentage is related to the age, which is X. And they say that the probability there is equal to these. Now, we need to find two things, this variable and this variable. It's a good thing that we have two equations. And we get to use a ClassPad, which makes this so much easier. So let's write this out as two equations. So we're given equation 1, which says that 20 is equal to PO. Not sure what that is equal to yet. We'll find out soon enough. And then times by 25. And that 48.2 is equal to PO times by A there. We're not sure what it is, but we'll find out soon enough. Times by 65. Okay, so we say solve using the calculator. This is going to be the easiest way to do it. So solve with calc. Okay, now how do we solve a simultaneous equation with calc? Normally we'd say x plus 3 is equal to 6, and then we would highlight this thing, right? Interactive, advanced, solve for x. It's good, but we can't, there's two equations now, so how do we do that? What we want to do is go to this button here. Now this one is a system of equations, okay? And we can put in everything in there. I'm going to use the values of P and A. You can choose whichever one you want, but just remember, whatever values you use, you have to put them here, and then it will solve for it. So we write out those two equations. And hit enter. And we get given two values here. That's it. So therefore, we can say that, therefore, P is equal to our original value, that 11.54, with E, and now that value there is 0.02 x. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. That'll be all the marks that you need. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And once you get those values, there is the next part, which is part B. All right, and that says what percentage of people had obesity at the age of 60? So what is P when X is equal to 60? Okay, you can just say use calc. All right, and that becomes, so if we grab our calculator, we can say, we'll just highlight these values here. So highlight it and then drop and drag it into there. Highlight it and then drop and drag it into there. That's our answer. You can say that you've rounded to 3 significant figures. And that's it. That's all it is. So really it's like this question's about asking us how to use the simultaneous equation solver on the calculator. Save a lot of work. Otherwise, you'd be spending a lot of time there trying to solve these things. So using the calculator will save you so much time in the exam. You might get a couple of minutes back if you use your calculator here. I'd really recommend it. Now, I've got heaps of questions like this, exam-related questions on my website. Reach out if you need any help, because we would be happy to help you.